We are doing a controlled burn so that we can bring down the fuel level.
It's kind of like a safety blanket for the community. So that way when the fire do come and creep out here where the community is, it's already black. That way the fire dies out on its own.
We start off with the drip torches and we go at a corner so that if it runs, only thing it runs into is further black and no green to carry it off.
Make sure there's no spot fires crossing our line.
I find it fulfilling because it's my community and I grew up here, and I think that this is very necessary so that things like the Zog and stuff don't happen again. A lot of people were coming up and thanking us and telling us how thankful and appreciative they were for our help.
It's a really good feeling, knowing that I'm giving back to the community and helping out.